Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. This is a short video about a product that we bought at Winfields. As you can recall, we've done a video on the Big Larry torch, and this is another piece of lighting kit that I hope you'll be interested in looking at. I bought the Vango 450 Sunbeam starter kit, and this is what it looks like in the box. I'm going to review this and let you know exactly what I think of it, and I'll let you make your own mind up by doing another demonstration. Keep watching and we'll have a look at this product. Thank you. Okay, inside the box you get a set of instructions on how to put it together, which is very simple. And also it tells you what comes in the box. So let's go through this. You get an on-off switch, 2 5-meter cables, 10 Velcro fixing straps, two end caps, and of course the two LED lights. Now, what I was quite impressed about with this is it comes with two adapters, mains adapters. So, as you can see, that's the power supply, and this is the UK spec. It slides on and it has quite a firm click to let you know it's in place. Now to release that, you press this button down where my thumb is and slide backwards away and it comes off. Now also in the kit you get a European. So let's fit that. Again, a nice firm click. Okay, and off it comes again. So quite a good piece of kit, this. Okay, as you can see, we're on the, or you can't see at the moment, we're doing the second of our landing tests. So we're sat on the landing at our house, and I'm just going to check how bright these lights are. Okay. As you can see, they're very bright. Just move that angle over. Now they really are lighting up this room. They're just as good as, in fact, they're better than the torch. But for obvious reasons, these are powered. So I'm quite impressed with these. They're very good. So that was the Vango 450 Sunbeam starter kit. I think it's a good product. I think it's very bright. I think it's quite favourable in its pricing in relation to other brands that are on the market. It's ideal for the Vango awnings as well because of the sky hook system that is now in the new 2018 models. So I think it's a brilliant idea. They're still not cheap, but they do what they say, and that impressed us the most. I mean, so much so, it's our anniversary soon, so this was our anniversary present that we bought for each other. Am I cheap? Answers on a postcard. Well, thanks very much for tuning in, and I hope you like this little video. If you do, give us a thumbs up or make a comment. Or if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe by clicking up there. Well, thank you. Bye bye.